seeing her. Welcome back to Kostab Activities. Today I am going to make Santa Claus face wall hanging for Christmas. So let's start. So I have taken here a round paper plate. Now I will make it upside down. And now I will cut a smaller circle. So I have cutted a small circle for the face of Santa Claus. Now I will take the color, watercolor, and color here in peach color. So I have colored the paper and I have dried it. Now I will take this white paper and stick it here. Now I will make it upside down, and now I will take and stick here the red paper to make Santa Claus cap. And now I will upside down. So I have stick the red paper in the back and made a Santa Claus cap. Now I will make the side beard by taking some glue in. Now I will stick cotton balls. Here a cotton ball, a cotton ball, I will take the beak and the main beard and I will stick it here. Now here I will stick the plastic eye. I have made eyebrows with help of cotton and now I will stick here to make the eyebrow of Santa Claus. Now I will stick the nose of Santa Claus. Now here I will stick the beard. And here I will stick the mouth. Now here I will stick. Now I will stick a cotton ball here. And my Santa Claus face wall hanging is ready. Thanks for watching.